In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clip with OBS Studio 2026 plus settings. By the end, you'll have OBS set up for smooth, high-quality clips with settings that balance performance, file size, and visual clarity. First, launch OBS Studio. Once it's open, head to Settings, then select the Video tab. Here's where you set your frame rate, which directly impacts how smooth your clips look. Under common FPS values, 60 is the go-to choice for most people because it's widely supported and looks great for fast-paced gameplay and general content. If you want ultra-smooth motion for high-action footage or slow-motion edits, click the drop-down, choose integer FPS value, and type 120. Just remember, 120 FPS demands more from your system and increases file size, so choose it only if your PC and storage can keep up. Next, go to the Output section. Change Output Mode to Advanced to unlock full control over recording quality. Then switch to the Recording tab. This is where we dial in the encoder and quality controls that make your clips look crisp without tanking performance. Select a hardware encoder for better performance. On most systems, that means an option like NVENC for NVIDIA GPUs, AMF or AVC for AMD, QuickSync for Intel, or the platform's native hardware encoder on Mac OS. Hardware encoding offloads the heavy lifting to your GPU, freeing up your CPU and helping you avoid stutters and dropped frames. If you only see software x264, it can work, but it's more CPU intensive. Set rate control to CQP. Unlike fixed bitrate, CQP targets a consistent quality level and automatically scales bits based on scene complexity, which is ideal for variable motion and avoids unnecessary bloat in simple scenes. Set the CQ level between 16 and 20. Lower numbers mean higher quality and larger files. A CQ of 18 is a great starting point. Go closer to 16 for very detailed or high FPS footage, and closer to 20 if you need smaller files or your system struggles during heavy action. Set the keyframe interval to 2. This helps with smoother seeking in editors and keeps your footage compatible with most platforms if you repurpose clips later. For preset, choose P5 to P7 if your GPU can handle it. Higher presets improve quality and compression efficiency but add encoding load. If you notice GPU spikes or in-game performance drops, step down a preset. Finally, click Apply, then OK to lock everything in. With these settings, you're ready to capture clean, responsive clips in OBS Studio. If performance ever dips, slightly raise your CQ value or lower the preset to keep things smooth while maintaining excellent quality.